everybody, Ms. Dietrich. We're going to take a look at this question, which I think is a bit of an optical illusion. In fact, when I looked at this for the first time, there was one point that looked off from the rest, and I didn't really take the time to check the cross products, and I thought that the answer to this question was this dot right here, because doesn't that look like it's off the mark from the others? If you were to draw a line on these, that looks like that one doesn't line up. But let's look at another method to making sure that we pick the right answer. So the question says, the graph shows four ordered pairs that represent ratios. Which ordered pair represents a ratio that is not equivalent to the others? So let's explore choice A, and let's compare choice A with choice B. So we're looking at a 2 to 12 ratio, and we're looking at a 3 to 18 ratio. Now, if we check the cross products on this, this times this would be equal to 36. And this times this also equal to 36. So these two ratios are equal. Now, another thing we can explore is the idea of what if we were to simplify both of these ratios? If we simplify this, divide by 2, get 1, divide by 2 and get 6. And we can do the same thing here. Divide by 3 and get 1, divide by 3 and get 6. They both follow that 1 to 6 ratio. So I'm just going to put that up here as a reminder. The 1 to 6 ratio is equivalent to both A and B and is the most user-friendly equivalent of that ratio. So how about we take that 1 to 6 ratio, that's the simplified version of both A and B, and let's throw in choice C and compare the cross products of choice C, which is a 5 to 24 ratio. Now, if we check the cross products on this, this times this equals 24. This times this does not equal 24, it equals 30. So it looks like this is the one you want to pick because it doesn't have equal cross products, and when you don't have equal cross products, then you draw that conclusion that it must not be equivalent. But let's look at choice D. So again, if we compare choice D to the simplified equivalent to both choices A and B that are equivalent to each other, and throw in the 6 to 36, let's explore the cross products there. If we do this times this, that's equal to 36. And if we do this times this, also equal to 36. Now, my recommendation, once you find 2, if you ever have a question like this again, it's always a good idea to take the 2 that you know. You know how we had these first 2 that were, you make a line and you extend the line and make sure it goes all the way through your graph. And it really has to be a perfect line. If you try to freehand it, it's not going to work. Now, do you see once you put the line on there, then it's more conspicuous or more clear and obvious that this is the dot that doesn't line up with the others. But if you take the line out, it kind of looks like this one doesn't line up. But in fact, it's actually that 5, 24 ordered pair that doesn't line up with the others.